In this video, I'll demonstrate how to quickly configure the TestRay app inside your Jira Cloud. First, log into your Jira Cloud and expand the sidebar. From the Apps section, click the three dots and select Manage Apps. This takes you to the app configuration page. Expand the sidebar again, and you'll see TestRay listed with its settings. The main configuration is found under Global Settings. To improve your experience, ensure third-party cookies are enabled in your browser. The first configuration step is to map your Jira issue types to TestRay requirements and defects. Next, choose which Jira projects you want to enable for TestRay capabilities. You can select one, multiple, or all projects as needed. The TestRay roles section relates to permissions. You can leave this as default for now. Click Save. You'll see a message confirming your settings have been saved successfully. Now, open your Jira project. You'll see the TestRay test menu added automatically. You can drag and drop to rearrange the menu's position. To create a folder, click the Add button and select Test Suite. A test suite is used to group related test cases. You'll also need to verify your Jira project settings. Go to Project Settings Issue Types. Make sure Test Case and Test Plan issue types are added. Once saved, go back to your project and open the Test menu again. Inside the Test Suite, you can now add a new test case directly. Select Test Case Issue Type, name it My First Test Case, and click Create. Please note that a test suite only accepts test case issue types. That's it, your TestRay configuration is complete.